Two drivers in front of the camera wanted to make the right turn at the same time, and unfortunately, that's not how it goes. It came to a road rage, and the camera decided to stick around for a while to see what that was all about. Vehicles who are already in the roundabout have the right of way. Well, at least that's how it's supposed to be, but not every driver knows that. A driver in a pickup truck suddenly changed lanes. He didn't bother looking at the lane he was moving to, but there was a vehicle right there, and he hit it head on. To make things even worse, he fled the scene, but the camera who was behind started following him down, and he didn't give up until he pulled him over. And when asked why, well, the culprit replied with, "I had no money." Cameron was just trying to enjoy his nice drive and mind his own business, and he didn't definitely caught on catching a road rage situation on his dash cam, but it happened right before his very eyes. Pay close attention at this crazy van driver in front of the camera. He made a completely illegal turn and cut across the road, nearly causing a massive wreck. Driver that was behind the camera was too busy texting and driving instead of paying attention at the road in front of him, and because of that, he rear-ended the camera and fled the scene.
You know. Let's say no. Just so we have that in our head. Excuse you. Stay in your lane.
What the?
Oh my god. Is that person okay?
Driver in front of the camera didn't see a vehicle that was right next to her as she tried to change into his lane, and when she overcorrected, she lost control of her vehicle and ended up hitting a road barrier, and her vehicle flipped to the side. Hopefully, she's doing fine. Camera didn't think that he'd catch such a crazy accident on his dashcam as he was waiting at the traffic lights. A driver in a blue vehicle ran a red light, and let's just say that he regretted it.
Oh, jeez Louise. Well, finally got an accident on my dash cam. Dog's okay.
Crazy driver was speeding at the intersection and he blew his stop sign. Because of that, he lost control of his vehicle and he hit another stop sign and a parked car. To make things even worse, he fled the scene, called the cops, and he tried to portray that he was the victim. But thanks to the dash cam, he was proven guilty. And with this clip, we conclude yet another amazing episode on DashCam channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and picking up a thing or two on how to properly drive on the roads, and not like these drivers in this episode here. If you like this type of content, leave a like, because that would mean a lot to us. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date to all the latest content we put out. Until the next one, drive safe and take care, guys.